Hey everyone! So today I'm going to make a really simple Filipino dish that's pretty popular where I came from in the southern Tagalog region. This is called Sarciadong Tilapia. So the ingredients for this is really simple. You just need tomatoes, onions, garlic, and fish. And of course you need the seasonings, which is usually patis or fish sauce or soy sauce. But then I'm going to do my own version of this. It's not really that different, but I might or may not add other ingredients. And it's simply because I make things my way. I'm also trying to hide my surroundings because my kitchen is not the best. It's not dirty, but I have a lot of stuff in a very small kitchen. So bear with me, because I'm hiding things. Now you can see all the mess and the stuff here already. Anyway, let's proceed!
Alright, now let's chop up everything, but this time I'm going to have to cheat. So I'm going to use a food processor instead of cutting them up in little tiny squares and making sure that they're the same size. I'm gonna go this route. I wasn't able to show this part, but I breaded my fish first with the Louisiana breading, the fish fry breading, and then I just put them in very hot oil and started frying them until golden brown. Now let's proceed in making our sauce. Add a lot of powder, garlic powder and onion powder. And no, I do not use MSG, so just put all of that in there to add that extra more flavor, extra and more oh yeah. Just make sure to mix it well, and now I will add my weapons of choice, which is the soy sauce and some hoisin sauce. Now just let it simmer for about 10 to 15 more minutes until the tomatoes are already very soft. So these are the condiments that I used, and just a reminder, do not use kikaman. No. This is actually the husband's lunch, so it's time to pack it up.
Well, I hope you enjoyed my short tutorial on how to make Sarciadong Tilapia. Always remember that you can substitute some of the ingredients so that it would suit your taste or whatever is available. You don't really have to exactly get the same things. Just a little pointer. I use tilapia because it's the closest that I can get. Like, we have tilapia back in the Philippines, but you can use like cod or some kind of white fish. I don't know about salmon, that might taste a little bit different, but you can definitely use whatever you want. I also made this the way that I do. So some people don't bread it before they fry it. Some people don't even fry it. They cook it straight with the tomatoes and the onions. So there's different kinds of techniques on how to cook it. And this is the way I like it. I like it crispy with some sauce on top. It's great. Another pointer I would say is try to find a Filipino brand soy sauce when you're making this, because using kikaman or some other brand will taste different, because kikaman has a distinct taste compared to the Filipino brand of soy sauce. So Filipino brands of soy sauce will be Marca Piña, Dato Puti, and Silver Swan. Those are the popular brands that you're gonna find. If you see those and you want to make Sarciadong Tilapia or any other Filipino dish, then it will come in handy. Have that. I added hoisin sauce because I like the little touch of sweetness in the dish. It also kind of neutralizes the tomato-ness of the dish. But of course you can add whatever other condiment that you prefer. Like, I add a little bit of onion powder and garlic powder to make it taste and, like I said, suit my preference. And my husband loves it the way it is too. So if you want to experiment and try to add a little bit of oyster sauce, or you just don't want to add a hoisin sauce, sprinkle some sugar, it's out to you. It's an experiment. Cooking is an experiment. So I hope you enjoy, and more dishes to come.